Gear shift interlock system. The automatic transmission has a shift lock system that prevents shifting the transmission out of park P unless the brake pedal is depressed. In case of shift lock system failure or vehicle battery got drained, follow recommended steps. Shift lock cap is available in front of the shift lever on the shift bezel. Get the screwdriver from the toolkit and open the shift lock cap. Use the same screwdriver or key fob and press the button inside the shift lever. Now, move the gear lever out of park P position.